another layout. And this is my friend's daughter again. They were camping. The background is basil cardstock. Why is this thing not getting my location? That's making me mad. Oh man, how do I get out of this? Oh, sorry. And so my blue floral is Paintbrush Studio Let's Stay Home. And this is the June kit still. What the heck? I think I need updated pictures. Look how small Theo is. Pain in the tush. Oh my god, he is such a pain in the butt. He is like a true blue little brother because he terrorizes poor Reese. Squirt bottle doesn't phase him. Why is this not getting my location? And I'm getting mad. This isn't where I want my weather. Just do it in the newspaper. I'll be done with it. Hey, Sabrina, coming in for your foodies. Good girl. Good girl. I'll get you your squeezables and when I pre-pack them. Alright, so I have a multicolored scallop layer, which is from Paintbrush Studio Let's Stay Home as well. And this is giving me quite the fit. Oh, why does my colors change? Alright, then that tag is cut from a cut apart sheet from the Make Kit, and then the pocket is Pink Fresh Studios, of course, Let's Stay Home. Alright, so the camera, the book, the car, stamp, and luggage are from Vicky Booten, Make It, Everyday Art, or Everyday Art, I think. And then the heart and the banner is from Pink Fresh Studio, Let's Stay Home. And I want to say that globe and the stamps are going to be Vicky Booten as well. It's not Vicky Booten, it's chances are it's Pink Fresh Studios, Let's Stay Home then. So I was just trying to see if I could use one of those stickers. I'm going to title it A Camping We Will Go. So A Will is Pink Fresh Studios, Let's Stay Home, Puffy Elephant stickers. Camping is American Crafts Coastline stickers, and We Go is American Crafts Sweet Pea stickers, and then the bow on the tag is Amy Tangerine. And it's just trying to figure out where to put everything. Yes, patent. I know because I will feed you in just a few. Okay? I'm gonna feed you, promise. Not gonna let you serve. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you serve. You must have went outside on the back porch, huh? I left the door open because it's so nice. It's cool, so let them go in and out as they please. Pat likes to go outside, but he does not like the door shut. If I do shut the door, he will kind of venture out further into the back porch. And then check in at the door every now and again. So you'll see him peeking in the door. And then when you open it to let him in, he turns around and goes back. Like, okay, door's open. It's weird. Anyway, so I'm going to go and figure out where I want my title. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.